Body language is a nonverbal effective way that can be used to read others' minds. Mouth expressions are part of body language that also helps to understand or guess someone's ideas that they are not expressing directly. Before the video guys, if you are new to my channel, small request for you. Please subscribe my channel. Watch until the end of video and share if this worth.
So, if someone is chewing or biting their bottom lips and watching towards something,
according to the body language, it means that they are worrying about something. It may be anxious about something or stress as a result of some incidents.
If someone is tightening their lips like pursued lips,
according to the body language, it means that they are distrusting something. It may be expression that express their disapproval or distaste.
If someone covering the mouth in a certain places,
according to the body language, it means they needed to hide emotional reaction. Sometimes it will be something that they get smiled.
If someone is slightly turn the mouth up is kind of a subtle indicator of his feeling.
According to the body language, it means that the person is being optimistic or thinking about something amazing.
If someone is slightly turn the mouth down is kind of a subtle indicator of his feeling.
The body language, it means that the person is sad or indicating their disapproval to something. It is kind of a nonverbal express of outright grimace.
If someone is smiling, how we identify that it is a genuine smile or fake smile?
According to the body language, physiologists are divided smiles like this: Duchenne Smile, Fake Smile, Uncomfortable Smile, Seductive Smile, Sarcastic Smile, Duchenne Smile. It is kind of true smile that smiles with eyes, cheeks, and corner of the mouth. Firstly, it was introduced by Guillaume Duchenne, who was a French anatomist. This smile express natural enjoyment of a people. This smile is identified according to behavior of particular muscle in your face. Zygomaticus major muscle lifts the corners of your mouth. At the same time, the orbicularis oculi muscles lift your cheeks and crinkle your eyes at the corners in Duchenne Smile. Fake smile. This smile is kind of a hiding some feelings of someone. It also related with cheeks, mouth like Duchenne Smile, but less involvement of eye is the main point that we can use to identify the difference. It is kind of smile that someone tries to smile without showing their real emotion purposely. Uncomfortable smile. Smiles that comes through when someone in an uncomfortable situation. It may causes the unappropriated things someone told to someone or something that make people shy among others, etc. It is kind of expressing the discomfort feeling of someone. Seductive smile is kind of a positive interest displaying smile. When someone in seductive mode, they tend to display slight smile that accompanies directly eye contact with others. Sarcastic smile. This smile is like a sign of conflicting emotions. Sometimes it appears like half smile that indicates your frown. When you are in sarcastic emotion, your mouth upturned. It is kind of expression that displays something that you dislike or disdain.